Okay, so back to the diecast. I'm gonna review it. The wheels go fine. It's good for doing donuts. This might be the pace car in my cup series. And here it is. There's the Astros logo. There's some news about it. It switched to the American League. Because if this was last year, this would have been the National League logo. But now it's the American League logo. And then there's the MLB logo with the Houston Astros on the back. And then the sides. Look pretty good. But there's a little sliver taken off somewhere on that. And then you could clearly see that chip right there and right there. So those are the 3 reasons I do not like it. For after all the other stuff are positive about it. It's good for a little case that you can put it in. And it's gonna be the Peace Karma Cup Series for the next couple of races that I have left in my Cup Series. I have nothing else to say but bye-bye.